Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop tutorial 5, inserting text into your project. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, or we can go to the desktop and open up the project that we are working on. So photo.psd, double click on this and that should now open up Adobe Photoshop. Now we have the project on screen. Let's now decrease the size of the photo that we have inserted from the previous tutorial. To now insert text, go to the left hand side navigation menu where we have all the available tools. To insert the text, click on T. Horizontal type tool adds horizontal type. Click on this. Let's now insert into the project. Change the font to another color from white to black, and then computer science videos. So the text itself has now been inserted. We can edit with the text. We can change the current text from Apple symbols to Cooper STD. Click on this, and now we can, if we want to, increase the size of all the text itself. Let's just do that. Bring that down, and so that itself is done. We can also change the color if we want to. Let's have red, and the text color changes. We can align to the left, to the right. Let's just leave it into the center. Sharp, crisp, smooth, strong. Let's just change to strong. Revert back to the original color of black. And so we can now Command S to save, and that's how you insert text into your Adobe Photoshop project. We can now quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.